Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Welcome to Share Talk. Today we've got Bernard Aylward, who is from Kodal Minerals, which is the ticker KOD on AIM. And today they've had some interesting results back from their Bougouni Lithium project in Ngoualana. Hi Bernard, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi John. Thanks very much for having me on again, and I'm doing really well and really pleased to be able to talk to you about these results we've got out today.
I don't know if you just want to get into yesterday's news quickly first. You got your gold JV in Cote dIvoire, and your initial gold grades there look quite exciting. I mean, can you give us some more information on that before we get into the Mali project?
Yeah, well, sure. That's a great sort of leading question for me. We actually released those results on Tuesday morning. And what they relate to is our gold joint ventures that we have in Cote d'Ivoire. And the most important thing that I'd like people to take away is that there's a new gold discovery being made in the north of the country by the drilling of our JV partner, Resolute Mining Limited. And its first pass reconnaissance drillings returned some high-grade gold intersections from surface. These are early phase exploration, but definitely warrant some more follow-up drilling, and we anticipate Resolute will be continuing with the RC drilling over the next few months, and potentially something exciting as a bit of an add-on for our shareholders. Of course, our focus currently is our exploration on the Lithium project at Bougouni in Mali, but to have this gold project ticking away in the background is pretty exciting for us, and I was pretty happy to put those results out to our shareholders.
Yeah, moving on to Bougouni. So these lithium grades, they look quite high on the face of it.
Yeah, initially, it's, I guess the thing I would say about what we're being able to demonstrate at Bougouni is actually good continuity of our mineralisation and consistently being able to report high-grade mineralisation. So again today we're reporting intersections up to 1.71% lithium oxide over widths of greater than 20 metres. In some of our holes we've got multiple intersections downhole, which again is really quite encouraging for potentially future economic development. So what we're seeing as a key for this, particularly this Ngoualana Prospect, is we've got excellent continuity of the pegmatite body. We've got good high-grade intersections. We've now been able to drill test this for a strike length of over 850 metres, and we still see that there's further extensions to that body. So high grade's obviously important because it means that we've got an opportunity for good economic development. The width of the pegmatite is also important because it's a key criteria for the mining, and the strike length is really starting to add up to something significant now. So while we're releasing again results today, this is a further 16 holes of our current drilling program. We've got a further 19 holes in the lab. So we're just telling our shareholders that at the moment we're proving continuity and we're continuing to get good results, and we anticipate further good news over the next few weeks.
Okay, and obviously this is part of an ongoing exploration program at Bougouni. What's happening next there?
Well, the key things that we've outlined over our previous announcements is, number one, it's a large drilling campaign, so we're continuing to drill at our priority prospects. Firstly, Ngoualana, which these results relate to today. We'll be back again at Sogolabale. We've got further drilling planned for the Bougouni Project. So each one of these prospects are high grade, near surface, continuous mineralisation, which we regard as extremely prospective. The second stage of our campaign at the moment is finalising is commencing our bulk sample, which we've outlined to people. We're taking a 5,000 tonne sample and shipping that for treatment in China. We anticipate commencing that within the next few weeks, and that'll be a 3-month process. And the final stage of this current campaign is metallurgical test work, which is being undertaken at a Czech lab in Australia and again at a lab in China. So we're going to have drilling to provide us with the geological confidence of our interpretation. We're having a bulk sample which will provide us with almost pilot scale test work on the mining and treatment. Metallurgy, which gives us a confirmation of that treatment. And then just in general, we're undertaking some early stage environmental assessment and social assessment of the project as we look to say we've got a project that we'll be looking to develop as soon as we can.
Okay, I mean, is there anything more you want to tell us about what's ongoing at Cote d'Ivoire then?
Well, Cote d'Ivoire is interesting for us because it's gold projects. There's a lot of interest in Cote d'Ivoire at the moment for additional gold exploration. We see a lot of companies active there. What we're seeing with, our quality joint venture partners that we have with Resolute, they're doing a lot of exploration work. Their work has been returning very good gold grades, so we're very pleased with that. Newcrest have withdrawn from the Dabakala JV, but we appreciate their efforts early on, but we still have a very prospective land holding there that we'll either do work ourselves or look for another partner. But the key for Kodal at the moment is really advancing our Bougouni Lithium project as quickly as we can, and we I hope our shareholders can see and continue to see with this news flow that we're very active and we've been very successful.
Okay, Bernard, well, that's all we've got time for today.
Well, thank you very much, John. Thanks.
That was Bernard Aylward, who's CEO of Kodal Minerals, listed on AIM with the ticker KOD.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.